डिस्टेंस बनाना है उसको।
एक बार ये फिर से कर ले।
Hey Vishnupriya,
हाय काम्या।
long time no see, huh?
हाय काम्या।
Hi Vishnupriya.
So you recently got placement in V2 retail as management trainee in operations. So very congratulations for that.
Thank you.
And as we know in operation, like getting placement for girl is very hard. So what was your strategy to get placement in operation department?
See Vishnupriya, basically interviewer is trying to find two major keys in the any candidate for operation. One is how bold the candidate is and how humble he or she can capable enough to handle the man-force or all the activities. If you are capable enough to manage these two aspects, you definitely able to crack any kind of operational activities or any kind of operational interview. And basically I'm trying to gain more and more content in this particular domain so that I can get better clarity for having all the operational activities in any kind of organization.
Okay, so you are here in Kala since 2 years, like almost 2 years you are here. So, like, what was the memory you want to share with us? Like, what will you miss the most, and where you have fun the most? Like, as we have like numerous of cultural fairs and events.
Okay, so coming to the memories part, do you have any idea about our Ganesh Chaturthi?
Yes, that dance.
Entire pandal we are organized, dance on the road, dhol and everything, rangoli and the holy colors. We are looking like a ghost. We are not even capable enough to find each other. These kind of memories I'm going to miss in corporate world, because in corporate there are lots of restrictions.
You have to like behave professionally.
Correct, correct.
You are,
So these kinds of memories brings me to be me, to be myself. This is all me. I'm just trying to be happy in each and every situation, and having these kind of memories makes me a boost, makes me a clarity how I can feel myself in any kind of situation. These I'm going to miss in future also.
So I want to ask one thing. Do you remember that dance after 12 a.m. that we had after Bhojan? Do you remember? You want to share something about that?
Absolutely,
I
absolutely.
think like in Ganesh Chaturthi, as you talk about Ganesh Chaturthi, and in Ganesh Chaturthi we have Bhojan one day, and after that we had dance after 12 a.m. and we are like exhausted. You like we were walking whole day, and after that we dance like crazy. So will you please share something about that?
That dance is all about how successfully we are completed that event. We organized that event with the team of 7 to 12 people, and having that kind of pandal and inviting X number of all the devotees,
600 people.
more than 600 devotees we are invited, and handling all these events with all these candidates and the crowd. The dance is showing the energy and the enthusiasm, like how we have successfully completed that event.
Yes. So you will like carry this dedication in your work also.
Definitely. Even I can relate this kind of activities to the operational activities also. If you are capable enough to manage all this kind of event now, you will get clarity how you can have to handle all these aspects in the any kind of organization for the operations also.
Yes, actually we learn from the practical experience only. Operation is all about practical.
Correct, correct.
So Soumya, like you are very hardworking, as I have seen you in your like struggling days. Soumya, as I have seen so hardworking, and as I have seen you in your struggling days, and now you succeed. So what like key factors to getting success in operation? Because according to me, like operation is the hardest thing for me. So what was the key factors to get success in operations?
One statement I like to say for having any kind of hard work you are going to have, you just need to believe in the process. If you are confident enough with your content, with your step what you are going to take, and confident enough whatever process you are following, you will definitely reach to the destination as soon as possible, and you will be satisfied enough with the result also, because you are putting that much effort in that process.
So as you have graduated from finance from Fatehpur, you are from Fatehpur, and like you are living in Jaipur, now you are going to Delhi NCR. So how was the journey like? It's a roller coaster ride must have been so.
You're correctly mentioning everything, Vishnupriya. It's all a roller coaster ride. After completing my graduation, I'm searching for a college who are having MBA in operations and finance both, because I don't want to leave finance, but I really want to learn more about operations. And
Okay.
exactly, and there I got to know about Takshila Business School. And having these kind of dual specialization with having triple also in business analytics, this combination makes me a better clarity how I can bridge between the operations and financial documents.
And if you want to say something to Taxila, what will be that?
Just keep enjoying each and every moment and just trying your level best to make your confidence and content only.
Yes. And communication.
Communication is the key for everything. If you are confident enough to know how you are going to use that particular word to in any kind of interview, you will crack anything.
And try to clear your mancom in first. That is important in Taxila.
Mancom is all about how you are going to deliver your thoughts.
Yes. So all the best, Soumya, for your new life and for your new journey. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Vishnupriya. I think I have to support you also for coming down from this chair.
Yes, thank you so much. So for more, follow Taxila Business School page, and we are
Proud to say
be Taxilians.
#Taxilians.